coming in. The Samajwadi Party workers are protesting in Hathras over the assault of the 19-year-old girl. These are the visuals that are coming in at the moment of the protests that have broken out in Hathras at the moment. The opposition training its guns against the ruling administration. My colleague Tanushree Pandey, who is the one who has been getting all the updates on the story, exposing the UP administration fearlessly, one of the bravest reporters. She's joining us live for the very latest on the story. I'm going to throw straight across to you, Tanushree, to get us all the latest.
Chaiti, it's right outside the village. It's about 2 kilometers away from the house of the victim, and a massive protest is taking place by the Samajwadi Party here. You can see the district magistrate is on the ground. In fact, the joint magistrate Prem Kumar Meena is also on the ground, and the police has barricaded the entire area. In fact, this entire road has been blocked, Chaiti, and they are demanding justice for the victim, and they are also demanding strict action against the police and the officials of UP administration for burning the body of the girl without the consent of the family. I'll try and speak to हटिए एक सेकंड, एक मिनट हटिए, एक सेकंड. आप लोग समाजवादी पार्टी के हैं? समाजवादी पार्टी के. आराम से मुझे एक बात बताइए, क्या डिमांड है आपकी?
डिमांड ये हमारे प्रतिनिधि मंडल जो है हमारा लखनऊ से माननीय राष्ट्रीय अध्यक्ष जी ने भेजा है. एक भी लोगों को, एक भी आदमी को नहीं मिलने दे रहे हैं. एक रास्ता में रुक के
मिल के असली क्या करना है?
डिमांड कुछ नहीं है. हमारा जो है सिर्फ मनीषा के परिवार वालों को 1 करोड़ रुपया और सरकारी
मिल गया 25 लाख रुपए दिया गया है.
आप उसकी इज्जत को पैसे से तोलेंगे क्या?
जल्दी साइन कराएंगे मैडम. हमें बताया, हम संतुष्ट नहीं.
मैं कुछ पूछ रही हूँ. आप लोग समाजवादी पार्टी से हैं. समाजवादी पार्टी के भी चीफ मिनिस्टर रहे हैं यूपी के, चीफ मिनिस्टर रहे हैं यूपी के. तो वो लोग सब लोग बड़े लीडर्स कहाँ हैं उस समय? एक सवाल और है. विमेन क्राइम अगेंस्ट विमेन तब भी नहीं था, विमेन सेफ्टी यूपी में अब भी नहीं है. क्या बदला है?
नहीं बदला हमारे यहाँ पर हमारे आप देखिए,
हमारी सरकार में ना आज भाजपा की सरकार में 7 गुना क्राइम बढ़ गया है, और हमारी सरकार में सिर्फ 1% क्राइम था. उस टाइम हमारी समाजवादी पार्टी में बच्चों के ना तो बलात्कार होते थे और न ही इस तरह की हरकत होती जो आज भारतीय जनता पार्टी की सरकार में हो रही है.
जो फैमिली से मिलना है अंदर.
Yes, ma'am.
So basically the protesters here, Chaitis, belong to the Samajwadi Party, and they are saying that crime against women have increased during the BJP's rule in the state, and they are basically they have 2 demands: that we want the UP government to compensate the family, they give the family 1 crore ex gratia amount. Also, they want to meet the victim's family. This is what they are demanding, but the officials, the top brass of UP administration is on the ground. They are not allowing anybody, even the media, to basically go inside. They have 2 fear. One is, of course, the security threat. Secondly, they are saying that the COVID situation on the ground has also worsened. They fear there is a high risk of contamination to the victim's family as well, and that is why the entire area has been barricaded, and Section 144 has been put in place in Hathras. Chaiti, back to you.
Absolutely. Tanushree, continue to stay with us right there. You were the only reporter who broke this story. You were the only reporter on ground right there where the victim's body was being cremated without the presence of the family members. If you could re-encapsulate that particular incident, which gives a context to our viewers as to the kind of outrage that one is seeing from the opposition parties on ground. Tanushree.
Chaiti, absolutely. So yesterday, of course, a day before yesterday, Chaiti, what our cameras captured, that was one of the most horrific and one of the most gruesome things. If what happened to the victim, if what happened to the girl was horrific, Chaiti, what we saw, the cremation, was beyond humanity. At 12:45 a.m. Chaiti, day before yesterday, the body of the victim reached with an ambulance at this particular place, this village, the native village, which is called Bulgadi in Hathras, UP's Hathras. The police was forcibly trying to convince the family to cremate the body overnight. The mother, who is 60 years old, the father, who cannot even walk properly, they had one simple demand, that we want to see our daughter for one last time in flesh. We want to see her face even for 5 minutes. So please allow us. It's our constitutional rights. If we have the agency over the body, we want to see our daughter for one last time. For our rituals, we want to take her home. That was her last wish. The police tried to convince the family for 2 hours, and when they could not convince the family, at exactly 2:45, they took the family forcibly inside. The family locked themselves inside. They did not even know that the police will cremate the body on their own. At exactly 2:45, Chaiti, we were the only channel that was present on the ground.
Yes.
The police forcibly took the body to the cremation ground, a temporary setup just 200 meters away from the house, without any presence of the family member, against their will, without any consent or permission from the family member. The police officials on the ground burned the body of the victim on their own without any presence of the family member. In fact, Chaiti, what is more horrific is that the family wasn't even aware till after 3 hours. We were the one who broke the news that the body of your daughter has been put to fire. So, and this is, I think, the most the most horrific thing the UP police could ever do. And this is an absolute, even worse than what happened to the girl, because she could not get justice when she was in life. She could not even get dignity in her death. And the entire country was...
and it was your brave interrogation, it was your brave questioning. Remember, the entire country knew the truth of what really transpired because of the presence of my colleague Tanushree Pandey right there, who exposed and brought all the facts to the fore. We're going to thank you so much, Tanushree, for joining us. Stay safe.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.